Crafting a Coherent Argument, a step-by-step guide. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into one of the most crucial aspects of the GMAT and GRE essay writing, creating a clear and logical structure for your argument. By the end of this video, you'll know how to effectively organize your thoughts and present a compelling case in your essays. Let's get started. A well-organized argument is like a well-built house. Each brick is strategically placed, providing support to the overall structure. In essay writing, this structure aids in conveying your ideas clearly, making it easier for readers to follow and understand your point of view. Every argument should have at least 3 main parts. 1. Introduction. This is where you introduce your main idea or thesis statement. 2. Body. This consists of supporting points, evidence, and examples that reinforce your main idea. 3. Conclusion. Summarize your argument and restate your main idea. By sticking to this basic structure, your essay will have a solid foundation. Transition words and phrases are the bridges between your ideas. They ensure a smooth flow from one point to another. Examples include, firstly, secondly, and lastly. However, moreover, and furthermore. In conclusion, and to sum up. Using these effectively ensures that your essay is easy to follow and feels cohesive. It's not enough to just state a point. You need to back it up. Evidence can be statistical data, quantitative facts that strengthen your point, quotes, credible statements from experts or relevant figures, real-world examples, anecdotes or instances that illustrate your point. For every main point you make, ensure that you have at least one form of evidence to back it up. 1. Repetition. Repeating the same idea in different words can make your essay redundant. Ensure each point adds new value. 2. Off-topic tangents. Stay focused on your main argument. Avoid discussing unrelated ideas. 3. Complex language. Using complicated words doesn't always make your essay better. Aim for clarity over complexity. Crafting a well-structured argument might seem daunting at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. Remember the key elements: a clear introduction, a body with supporting evidence, and a concise conclusion. With these in place, your essays will not only impress your examiners but also provide a compelling read. Happy writing! And here's to acing that essay section.